Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample provided by Oralfree. My name is Jackie and I am with J&M Reviews. And today I would like to talk about the Smart Oral Irrigator. So this is how it looks. Mine is in color pink. It comes with this cable to charge. You just plug it into the charger as your phone. And then this is where you insert the water. You just open it, fill it with water, you close it. It has 4 modes, so this is the first one, and these 3 are the other ones. This is how they look. Okay, so the machine also has some very useful instructions that you can check out here. And you first of all, you have to leave it charging. Mine is still charging. uh, this is the on and off, and this is the mode. You're going to hold it for 3 seconds, activate the modes, and you have the normal mode, which is for a normal cleaning, the soft if your gums are a little bit irritated, and pulse, which is a little bit more like a cleaning pressure around your teeth. It's very useful and it's a great complement to your oral routine. I like it. Let me see if it's some water. No, it's still charging. But that's all you do to keep it clean. All you have to do is empty the water after using it, clean it with soap and water, and drying it with a cloth, and make sure it's clean and ready to use. And you can charge it, leave it charged for 3 hours at the beginning. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it.